Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is July 12th, 2026. This channel provides a dedicated summary of the most critical crypto news tailored specifically for investors across Southeast Asia. We help you cut through the noise with clear, actionable insights every single day. Bitcoin is currently holding near $64,270, while Ethereum remains steady near $1,824. Today we break down three critical stories: Circle's landmark U.S. Federal Trust Bank approval, spot Bitcoin ETFs' first green week since May, and Japan's Metaplanet exploring Bitcoin-backed digital credit products. Today we break down three critical stories: Circle's landmark U.S. Federal Trust Bank approval, spot Bitcoin ETFs' first green week since May, and Japan's Metaplanet exploring Bitcoin-backed digital credit products. Story 1. Circle has received final approval from the U.S. Office of the Comptroller of the Currency to operate as a national trust bank, Circle National Trust. This moves them from state-level rules to a unified federal oversight framework. Circle is the issuer of USDC, the world's second-largest stablecoin with over $73 billion in circulation. After the news, Circle's stock jumped 15% in pre-market trading as investors cheered this regulatory legitimacy. Federal-level supervision significantly lowers compliance friction and opens the door for direct institutional custody on a national scale. As USDC gains traction, this provides a major competitive advantage over offshore stablecoin issuers. For viewers in the Philippines, Vietnam, and Indonesia, this is structurally supportive for USDC's use as a reliable remittance rail. Federal oversight reduces counterparty risk for regional exchanges and licensed banks integrating USDC. Story 2. Spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds posted their first weekly net inflow since May, ending a 6-week outflow streak. Institutional sentiment is clearly turning positive at current price levels. On July 10th, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded $90 million in net inflows, while spot Ethereum ETFs added $18 million. The momentum suggests investors are looking past volatility toward long-term accumulation. Total Bitcoin ETF net asset value is now near $63.4 billion. For Southeast Asia leveraged users in Manila, Ho Chi Minh, and Jakarta, this reversal is a positive signal, but caution remains essential. Bitcoin still needs a sustained close above 64,500 across 3 sessions before treating this as a trend reversal. Fear and greed sits at 31. Keep leverage small and manage risk carefully. Story 3. Metaplanet, Japan's largest corporate Bitcoin holder, has announced a feasibility study to explore Bitcoin-backed digital credit products. They are partnering with JPYC, a leading stablecoin issuer, and Progmat, a prominent tokenization platform. Progmat is backed by Japanese megabank infrastructure. The study explores how Bitcoin holdings can safely back tokenized credit distributed through regulated Japanese rails, unlocking liquidity for companies without requiring them to sell their Bitcoin. For Southeast Asia investors, this signals corporate treasuries are moving from passive accumulation to active on-chain financial products. This shift will likely set a global precedent for how corporations manage digital assets in the coming years. Expect similar credit structures in Korea, Singapore, and Hong Kong within 18 months. Watch how Japanese regulators respond, as their framework will likely influence what Southeast Asian regulators allow next. To wrap up, Circle secured U.S. Federal Trust Bank approval, bringing USDC under national oversight. Spot Bitcoin ETFs ended their 6-week outflow streak, and Metaplanet is exploring Bitcoin-backed digital credit in Japan. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. Please conduct your own research before making any financial commitments. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us grow and provide more insights. For more chart analysis and daily trading insights, join our free Telegram channel via the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.